Join me as I dive deep into the dark web to uncover stolen Bitcoin secrets from cybercriminals. Can I find the truth before it's too late? The world of cryptocurrency is no stranger to controversy, and one of the most pressing issues today is the threat of stolen Bitcoin secrets. As the value of Bitcoin continues to rise, so does the number of cybercriminals looking to get their hands on it. The risks associated with stolen Bitcoin are multifaceted. On one hand, there's the financial loss, which can be devastating for individuals and businesses alike. But there's also the risk of personal data exposure, which can lead to a host of other problems. Cybercriminals will stop at nothing to get what they want, and that includes using malware, phishing scams, and other tactics to exploit vulnerabilities in cryptocurrency wallets and exchanges. In recent years, we've seen some high-profile cases of Bitcoin theft that have left investors reeling. Take, for example, the case of the Bitfinex hack, where cybercriminals made off with over 120,000 Bitcoins, worth hundreds of millions of dollars at the time. Or the case of the Parity wallet hack, where a vulnerability in the smart contract was exploited to drain millions of dollars worth of cryptocurrency. These cases serve as a stark reminder of the risks involved in the world of cryptocurrency. One of the most disturbing things about these hacks is the way cybercriminals exploit vulnerabilities in the code. They'll spend hours poring over lines of code, looking for that one weakness that they can exploit. And once they've found it, they'll move in, using their skills to drain the accounts and disappear into the shadows. It's a cat and mouse game, with security experts constantly working to stay one step ahead of the cyber criminals. The tactics used by cyber criminals are getting increasingly sophisticated. They'll use fake emails, fake websites, and even fake social media profiles to trick victims into giving away their sensitive information. They'll use malware to infect devices, giving them access to everything from login credentials to personal data. And they'll use phishing scams to trick victims into revealing their private keys. It's a never-ending battle, and one that's getting more intense by the day. But there is hope. Security experts are working tirelessly to stay ahead of the game, developing new and innovative ways to protect cryptocurrency investors from these cybercriminals. They're working to patch vulnerabilities, to strengthen security protocols, and to educate investors on how to stay safe in the world of cryptocurrency. It's a pivotal moment in the battle against Bitcoin theft, and one that could change the game for good. So what's the takeaway from all of this? The most important thing is to be aware of the risks involved in the world of cryptocurrency. Don't click on suspicious links, don't download files from unknown sources, and never give away your login credentials or private keys. Stay informed, stay vigilant, and stay ahead of the game. The world of cryptocurrency might be a wild west, but with the right knowledge and the right precautions, you can stay safe. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to share your thoughts on Bitcoin security in the comments below. If you want to learn more about cybercrime and the latest developments in the world of cryptocurrency, be sure to check out my other videos for more insights and analysis.